What's up guys? Today we are doing frog chicken, open fire style on my new Ivar Pro 2 by FoguesTX. Frog chicken and open fire style asado cooking was made popular by my brother Al Fragoni, the godfather of open fire cooking. And if you stick around, you're gonna see why this style of cooking is so infectious and so fun to do. Let's go. We're gonna let this get going. Once that's going good, I'm gonna chuck some of this red oak on there, and then we're cooking. Now let's prep this chicken. Now prepping a frog chicken is super easy. Frog chicken, all you gotta do is make a cut in between the legs and the breast. You slide that through, spread it flat open, then you pop each of the legs so they lay flat. Now we're ready to dry it, oil it, and season it. Ever since I tried frog chicken, I've never done any other method of doing a whole chicken. Spatchcock, you can get similar results, but you do have to cut out the whole backbone. To regulate your temperature, you need to hold your hand where the meat is for 8 seconds. Once you get to 8 seconds, it should be too hot and you gotta pull your hand away. If it's more than 8 seconds, it's not hot enough. If it's less than 8 seconds, too hot. So we're gonna let this cook for 90 minutes with the rib cage and all that meat facing the fire. After 90 minutes, we're gonna flip it over and let it hit that skin and crisp it up for 30 minutes. Now the other cool thing about frog chicken is that it separates the light meat from the dark meat. Now we all know that you want your chicken breast at a perfect 165 degrees, but what is less known is that the dark meat, you actually want at 200 degrees internal, because at higher temperatures, a lot of that cartilage and tendon fat breaks down and actually makes dark meat juicier around 200 degrees. That's how the frog chicken's done. Thanks for checking this out. Go ahead and click like and subscribe. Cheers.